Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study with Sambhavi. In this video, we will learn about class 11 topic glycolysis. So let's see what is glycolysis. In Greek word glykos means sugar and lysis means splitting. Means splitting of sugar is known as glycolysis. This scheme or this cycle was given by Gustav Embden, Otto Meyerhof and J. Paranas. This scheme, the scheme of glycolysis, was first of all given by Gustav Embden, Otto Meyerhof and J. Paranas, so referred to as EMP pathway. So on the name of the scientist, the cycle is also known as EMP pathway. Embden, Meyerhof and Paranas. In this process, glucose undergoes partial oxidation to form two molecules of pyruvic acid in the presence of various types of enzymes. इस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है? इन दिस प्रोसेस ग्लूकोज मीन्स सुगर मॉलिक्यूल्स अंडरगो पार्शियल ऑक्सीडेशन एंड फॉर्म टू मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ pyruvic acid in the presence of various types of enzyme. So let's see this process with the help of diagram. Let's see glycolysis by diagram. In this figure we see glucose, the six carbon molecules converted into glucose 6-phosphate, which is also a 6 carbon molecules in the presence of enzyme hexokinase, and in this process ATP is reduced to ADP. In the next process, next step, glucose 6-phosphate converted to fructose 6-phosphate, which is again 6 carbon molecules in the presence of enzyme phosphoglucose isomerase. And now in the next step, fructose 6-phosphate, a 6 carbon molecules converted to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, which is also a 6 carbon molecule in the presence of enzyme phosphofructokinase, and in this process ATP is reduced to ADP. In the next step, fructose is converted into two other molecules of 3 carbon. The fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is converted into two molecules or two different types of sugar. First is triose phosphate glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and other is triose phosphate dihydroxyacetone phosphate DHAP. Triose phosphate 3-PGAL is 3 carbon compound, and DHAP is also a 3 carbon compound, which is interconverted. Now this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is a 3 carbon molecule is converted into 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid, which is also a 3 carbon molecule in the presence of G3P dehydrogenase enzyme. What is G3P? G3P is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme, and in this process NAD plus is reduced to NADH plus H plus. And in the next step, 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid is converted into 3-phosphoglyceric acid, a 3 carbon molecule in the presence of enzyme phosphoglycerate kinase, and in this process ADP is converted into ATP. In the next step, 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 2-phosphoglycerate in the presence of enzyme phosphoglyceromutate. In the next step, 2-phosphoglycerate is converted into phosphoenol pyruvate in the presence of enzyme enolase, and in the last step, phosphophenol pyruvate PEP is converted into two molecules of pyruvic acid, a 3 carbon molecule in the presence of enzyme pyruvate kinase. In this process ADP is converted into ATP.